just heard the news today. It seems my life is gonna change. Close my eyes, begin to pray, and tears of joy stream down my face. With arms wide open, if I had just one wish, only one demand, I hope you'd understand. With arms wide open,
looking back from what we had started before, strangely, in the dating app, we met each other. Surprisingly, we matched.
babalik sa simula.
No wonder, gigopuhan jud kas akong profile picture. Reminiscing those days we had our first met at the popular store, nerve-wracking feeling, but pushes myself to meet you at the corner. When I glanced your face with an eyes of 4, I saw you as my future. Wearing our nerdy glasses, we felt so comfortable. Chucky lang ang ako. I told you when you asked, unsay imo? Nagduog ko nga, Chucky ang barato. Pero mas mahal pa di ay kaysa sa gi-order nimo nga sito.
Today is the day that the Lord has answered our hopes and prayers. I thank Him for giving me the best man that the world could offer. I thank Him for His goodness and faithfulness despite how unfaithful we are to Him. Most especially, I thank Him because He made us one today, not just in His eyes, but for everybody's. Love, bisan unsa pa man kalibaong nga dalan ang atong maagian. Kanunay akong handom ang pagkapiyot sa matag usa natong kamot ug magpadayon nga lig-on uban sa atong buhing Dios. Starting today, you have now my ears to listen to you, eyes to look at you forever, mouth to smile at you forever, and hands to hold you forever. Love, I may not be the perfect wife, but I will do my best to be the best wife to you. I love you so much.
Sige ingon sa Ginoo Arjun sa kang Adan after the creation. Ingon siya Adan, ining tanan nga naa dinhi sa kalibutan, ikaw ang mag-entrust ani. Ikaw ang magdumala nini. So therefore, the stewardship department was being commenced in the Garden of Eden. Human nga kamo gikasal, human nga si Adan o siya magikasal on the 6 days of the week, on the succeeding days, succeeding weeks, gientras sa Ginoo ang tanang butang sa magtiayon.
Tayo ay babalik sa simula. Kung maliligaw, ikaw ang linaw, di ka bibitawan. Sa sigwa o araw, dilim o bughaw, ikaw ang sigaw.
Love, sorry kung naay mga times nga kaniang grabe ko ka maldita o kaniang ka dili masabtan nga kaning batasan tungod kay kung masuko ko dili na din kumutingog, dili na ko mamansin, maldita kay ko. Niyang akong gi-promise since dili namang gyud ikalimod nga maglinyo jud ta og ikaw na gyud hindi ako makauban.
Pag nakalimutan na ating sayaw, kumupas dating pagtingin, at kung ang dulo ay natatanaw, sumpaan ay gunitain. Tayo ay babalik, tayo ay babalik, tayo ay babalik sa simula.
We'll never forget because, for me, it's the pillar of our love story. It's like a cold relief when we had burning days. It's a therapy when someone is breaking, and a true reality to a doubtful heart. Our first encounter played a big part of where and what we are today. Yes, that was the first night nga dili gud nako makalimtan. Dito man gud nagsugod ang tanan. Kay sa panahon gani nga doubtful ang akong hunahuna ug kining akong dughan, our own sweet story akong ginabalik-balikan. Love, when the world turns back at me, you were there encouraging me. When I was down, you lifted me up. When trouble, your words are my comfort. So many reasons to say thank you. Now that we have fully committed, I will always treasure you, will continue to hold you, and cherish this love of ours. I love you so much.